How's it going, guys? I built my own fidget spinner made of Lego, and found out it actually spins. Look, like I'm trying to do it now. Look, it spins. It spins like a real fidget spinner. Anyways, guys. Oh, let me first see. Let me see. Wait, I'm just gonna get my other shirt. I want to hold the vaccine. And I got the other one. Yeah, this is a fidget. And you can see here, it actually spins too. So you don't need to buy, no, no, no. So you don't need to buy fidget spinners. You just make it. Anyways, guys, so waiting for somebody that my Lola. Just took me. Just, no, something. Wait. Hope you're watching this. And I still don't get it. How can I build my other fidget? Anything like this or like this. We have a bunny. Anyways, guys. So, like and subscribe if you like my fidget, homemade fidget Lego spinners. And later on, wait, don't look. Wait for a second. And later on, gonna have intramural. I'm gonna bring this with me, and I'm gonna find out who's the best YouTuber and all times. So yeah. I just wanted to make a few spinners, but wait, look. I just want to make a few edges of a fidget. You won't. I just. Hey. Oh no, yeah. Just totally. Hey, yo, what the jokes? Wait, where's my eyes looking? Kasi siya glad. I thought there was blood. See, look, kinda looks like blood, right? Eee! Eee! Wait, I'm thinking about something that came in my mind. Don't know what to do. Let me show you how to play real butter. Hope you watch this. Hi Bryce. Kuya Bryce. You're watching this. Subscribe and enjoy. Wait, I'm just gonna get one. Okay, where did it? Where is it, guys? It is, guys. It's totally tiny because he's now a big and a teenager. First things first, like this. Fold like this. Wait. Just so you can see clearly. Wait. Ah. First things first. We got to do this. Third. You can't hear me, just I'm gonna make it loud. First things first. Do like this. Second of all, like this. Third. That's how you do it, baseball. Feel better. That's what you will do. And second, if you're a pitcher, you need to do this first. Curveball. This is the curveball. This is only fastball. So you do it. Terrible. You're catcher, you need to just catch your ball like this. Like this. And fourth, see clearly. I'm just gonna fix my hair. And fourth, if you, I don't know what's next. That's all I memorize. If you're, yeah, later I'm gonna play Minecraft. So, okay. Mom comes, I'll play Minecraft with this phone that I use this already. It's mining my dog. Like the sun is so bright. Yes. Ow, ow. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoy. Ow, ow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. I hurt my hours too. And make it louder for no reason. Okay? Yes, make it louder. Don't make it just ordinary. Shy. Heh. Bing. Look, I have a cover. This is the cover. Like it's like this is my computer. So jokes. Anyways, guys, let me scared. There's my dogs. Kind of. Wait. I'm gonna show you my dog. This is. Say hi. Say hi. This is Into, and this is Brownie. What's the other one? Doggy. This is Nashi, the mother.